One of my goals for the summer is to become proficient with the Firesteel. This is a little Gerber Firesteel, and we're in the backyard today. But what I found is that, probably obvious to most people, without reading any directions. So I've got straw, so you bend it into a little nest and like twist it a little bit. I already got a fire going right here, so hopefully it doesn't spark on me. Anyway, you get the nest there, and then you hold the Firesteel like this and you pull this one back more than you push this one, and
Junie, when they're coming for you.
other times I've done this, it started right up. So I do a little nest.
Oh yeah. I'm here. Oh, she likes those.
There it is.
There it is.
It's going. Toss it in the fire.
Junie.
What's not so easy is
Junie.
the pine needles. The pine needles, yeah, the pine needles are a little harder. I was hoping pine needles will be a lot easier because pine needles are everywhere. It's not, however, hard to find pine needles, and they dry out quickly. So I've tried bending them in a ring like this.
I wish we could do it with pine cones, because we have a ton of pine.
Yeah, we have a lot of pine cones too. You can make a good nest with it.
Junie, go over there. Junie, there's one over there. Junie, come over here.
You can get it to smolder pretty well, but it's hard to get it to light. You get tantalizingly close, but it never starts. Ooh, I got it! Look at that! I got it with pine needles. At least I know it's possible. Woo! That's hot. Cool. Well, we'll try some other things as we go through the summer. But we like the Firesteel, and
I don't think it's going to work with pine cones.
it might not work with pine cones, but we can try. Okay, thanks for watching.